Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited Spares OR Repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135406. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped, gearbox and clutch look all good. Very simple and easy repair for someone who knows what they're doing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.